Hello, and welcome to my Math Companion. In this video, we'll be solving another question involving probability. But before I get to the problem, I would like to clarify a statement that I made in the previous video, which was that the probability of an event happening is always between 0 and 1. And some people may say that in weather reports, I see that the probability of it raining is 80%, or it being sunny tomorrow is 20%. Now, obviously, 20 and 80 are much larger than 1. So how is it possible that the probability is between 0 and 1? The important point to note here is that 20 is not equal to 20% and 80 is not equal to 80%. In fact, they're separated by a factor of 100 because 20% is 20 divided by 100. Similarly, 80% is 80 divided by 100. And 20 divided by 100 is 0.2, and that's obviously between 0 and 1. Similarly, 80 divided by 100 is 0.8, which is between 0 and 1. So in weather reports, they use percentage because it may be easy to read for viewers, but the probability will always be between 0 and 1. Now let's get to our problem. The question states that there are 4 red boxes, 5 blue boxes, and 2 green boxes. What is the probability of not selecting a green box if I choose a box at random? So you'll see that the information in this question is the same as in the previous video, but the question itself has changed. They're asking the probability of not selecting a green box. So as in the previous video, we'll draw out the items in our sample set. So we have 4 red boxes, 5 blue boxes, and 2 green boxes. And the sample space is, at least for the sake of this problem, the sum of all the boxes that are there, and that's 4 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So we'll be dealing with probabilities inside this sample space of 11 boxes. And we see that the number of green boxes is 2. And that means that, so we essentially have to find the probability of not selecting a green box, which is the probability of selecting a box that is not green. And how many boxes are there that are not green? That's 11 minus 2, because the total number of boxes is 11 and the number of green boxes is 2, and that evaluates to 9 boxes. And you can easily figure that out because 4 plus 5 is also equal to 9. So now we just have to find out this in terms of probability. So the probability of non-green boxes will be the number of elements in the sample space satisfying our event, which is 9, and the total number of elements in the sample space, which is 11. So that will be 9 divided by 11, and that's our answer.